I've had my fair share of frustrations with writing. Hey guys, my name is Lisa M. Waring, and today we're going to be talking about writing myths, also known as misconceptions in writing. Let's jump right in. These are in no specific order, but they are randomly numbered. Myth number 31. There is one perfect way to write. Nothing kills a dream faster than perfection. We psych ourselves out all the time. Perfection is an unattainable goal that holds our progress hostage. It is the ultimate illusion. Trust me, the first time you start working and writing on something, it's going to be rough. It's rough for all of us. Do not get caught up in how it's supposed to look. Just work on developing your own rhythm and your own process. You'll get there. Myth number 8. You must write from beginning to end. Okay, so this may seem like a silly little thing to mention, but it's the silly little things that always trip us up. When you're thinking about your idea, what do you see? What comes to your mind? What stands out? If you have a scene or a character that you just can't get out of your head, write it out. Go with the flow. Don't be afraid to skip around. Follow your inspiration. If all you can envision is the middle or the end, start there and work your way through. Most of my ideas start with a character or a random scene in my head. Rarely do I ever have the entire vision from the beginning. I once based an entire novel off one argument that I had with somebody. I think I wrote about 2/3 of that book. I should probably go back and finish it. Myth number 24. You always have to be clear about what you write. This is what I was alluding to in myth number 8. You don't have to know every step of the way. Sometimes when I start writing, I have no idea where I'm going to end up in a scene. Don't overthink it. The beginning process of writing is where you have the least amount of pressure. And for me, it's the most freeing part of the process. Write whatever comes to your mind, even if you think it sounds weird or dumb. Don't hold back. That's what editing is for. Focus first on getting the words written. Myth number 15. Writing requires having a lot of time. I used to think the same thing. I thought I had to be a full-time writer with a beach house, a laptop, and a golden retriever. Okay, maybe I wasn't that specific. As funny as it sounds, it's actually what a lot of people envision. But just like everything else, you make it your own. For you, maybe it's writing on your lunch break or staying up an extra 20 minutes after everyone has gone to bed to work on your story. Fitting in just 15 to 30 minutes a few days a week can help you reach your goals over time. It may take you a little longer to finish than you'd like, but it's possible to get it done. Consistency is key. If all you manage to do is write 1 page a week, at the end of the year, you would have had 52 pages written. That's progress. Never turn your nose down at progress. One caveat. Life is about seasons, and there may be a season in your life where you just don't have the time and mental energy to do any kind of writing. It's okay. Give yourself some grace. This may not be the time for you to start writing. This may just be the season where you are gathering experiences to put into words later. It won't always be this way. Your time will come. In the meantime, give yourself some grace. Myth number 47. Great writers are born, not made. To quote Liam Neeson, everyone has their own particular set of special skills. And for some people, writing is like breathing. For others, it takes a little bit more time, work, and effort. And there's nothing wrong with that. Do you know how you get good at running? You run. Do you know how you get good at writing? You write. Cultivating your craft is a continuous process. With time and experience, you can be good at pretty much almost anything. Myth number 20. Write what you know. It's important to bring authenticity to a character's story and experience. But don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and write something that you're unfamiliar with. Just ask Stephen King. Have you read his books? The man knows how to get inside the head of a psychopath. Pretty sure it's not from experience. I hope it's not from experience. If you're not familiar with the subject matter, research it. The internet is at your fingertips. Just write. You cannot edit from a blank page. There you have it, guys. Those were some myths about writing. What myths or things have been keeping you from writing? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to help you get your writing journey started. I also have a Production 101 workshop that provides the basics on writing, producing, directing, and acting. And for those of you interested in getting your idea from concept to reality, I provide one-on-one coaching for screenwriting and producing. I'll drop the links in the caption for you guys to check them out. If you got something out of this video, please drop a like and subscribe. I have more videos coming down the pipeline to help you guys get your projects off the ground. Let's create.